The Wolf of Wall Street is Martin Scorsese at his most unrestrained. Fast, furious, and unapologetically outrageous. Leonardo DiCaprio delivers a career-defining performance as Jordan Belfort, a stockbroker consumed by greed, drugs, and excess, with Jonah Hill adding chaotic brilliance. The film's non-stop energy, dark humor, and audacious set pieces make it wildly entertaining, yet beneath the laughter lies a scathing critique of corruption and unchecked ambition. It's a film that never slows down, dazzling with style while forcing viewers to confront the ugliness of excess. Equal parts hilarious and disturbing, it's an unforgettable ride through the darkest corners of success. I'm Dames Marvs, and this is The Movie Shelf.